Good morning and assalamu alaikum to all parents and students. In my previous video, I told you about multiplication. What is multiplication? How do we use it in times table? We were doing two times table, so let's continue. But you see, I have made two different pages over here. This is the first page, and this is the second page. Whereas in your workbook, that we are doing page number 36 and 37. Page number 36 has already been done for you. As an example, you see there are two ways to do a times table, two ways to do multiplication, two different ways to form sets. Meaning you can form sets with the first number that is going to be written over here. You can make the sets for those, and you can use the second ones as your items. But you can also use the first one as items and the other one as sets. So I'm going to use the both ways. I'm going to show you both ways because the answer is the same for both of them, right? So first of all, you will write our day, that is Thursday. I'm going to make, these are two different pages, okay? You can either use this way or this way, right? So I'm going to write date on both of them. So today is Thursday. TH Thur, U R S D A Y, day. Your date should be small and beautiful, and the date is 10.12.2020, right? So I'm going to write it over here as well. TH Thur, U R S D A Y, day. 10.12.2020. All right, now let's see. Let's finish our page. Let's write it and then we'll solve it. Okay. Multiply by. We have already done 1 till 5 in the previous video. Okay. I'm not doing the reinforcement because it's the same as this one. Let me see how is it written in your workbook. Is it written with, yes, you see over here better, when you have it in your question, when anywhere 10 is written in question, they've written it over here, but I'm writing it in separate block, so you don't get confused, okay? They've written it in the same block and it's fine because in question you can write 1, 0, 10 in one block. Let's fill this one also. See, it doesn't matter. We have two pages prepared and let's get on with it. Let's solve it. Now, let's see, is it properly visible to you? Yes, now it's properly visible. Let's start. First, we are going to do here. Remember, I told you to leave extra, boxes, meaning leave these 3 boxes for the answers. Right, you remember? These 2 over here and these 2 over here. So how many are there? There are 3. And we know we'll draw them over here. But if by any chance I do not have space, you have space on your workbook. If I do not have, it's simple as that. Now I'll draw the other one over here because this one's small. I don't have space for this. I'll have space for this. Okay, let's see now. How many sets will I make? Okay, first I will make these sets and these will be my items. Okay, we're doing method 1. This side, the left side is my set and the right side is my items. Okay, how many sets will I make? 2 sets, 1, 2, 3, leaving. How many items will I add? 6 items in. Okay, these are my 2 sets. And how many items will I have? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Done? Okay, count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What is my answer? 12. That means 2 into 6 is equal to 1 to 12. Alright, let's look at the other Question for the multiplication. 2 into 7 is what? How many sets will I make? 2 sets. And how many items will I add? 7. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That means my answer is 1, 4, 14. 2 into 7 is equals to 14. Alright, next question is 2 into 8 is what? How many sets? 2 sets. How many items? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me see for one moment if you can see the board clearly. Let's just focus on this one first and let me zoom in for you as much as I can. Alright. Now, let's count these dots all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. My answer is 1, 6, 16. 2 into 8 is equals to 16. Alright, I'll make the dots more visible for you. Give me just 1 second, I'll make them visible. So we can see them clearly. Alright. So we are on 2 into 8. There, I'm almost done. Yes, I'm done now. I hope they're visible now. Alright, my next question was 2 into 9 is what? How many sets will I make? 2 sets. How many items will I add? 9. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One set is done. How many sets? 2 sets. Okay, one more set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 2 into 9 is 1, 8, 18. Okay, I'm just going to move over here because we separated them. But in your book it's not. So it will be easy for you. Alright, how many sets will I make? 2 sets. How many items will I add? 1, 0, 10. That's big number. Okay, I'm going to make it over here. You can make it below. Your sequence should be same. Okay, how many sets will I make? 2 sets. Okay, how many items will I add? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Counting them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Meaning 2 into 10 is equals to 2, 0, 20. There. My method number 1 is done. Let's look at the other one. Okay, I'll need a lot of blocks for this one actually. So I'll only be leaving 2 blocks. Okay, if I have less blocks, I can draw more blocks over here. Let me just draw more blocks so we can finish it. Now I'm done making the blocks. Now we can start our work. Your date should be over here, okay? Because if you've seen from the starting, you've seen this video from the starting, you'll know that your date should be at over here, but it's over here because I have made extra blocks over here because now these are my sets and these are my items, right? In my other block, this side, in my method number 1, this side, the left side was the set and the right side were the items. But this is my method number 2. So this side is your set and this side is your item. So we need at least 10 extra blocks because we have to make sets, okay? Now let's start leaving 1, 2, 3 blocks over here and we will starting from here, okay? From this block. How many sets will I make now? Method number 2, 6 sets. How many items will I add? 2 items. Okay. Okay, let's start from here. Okay, 6 items. Two items in six. Alright, let's just draw. One set, two set, three set, four set, five set, and six set. Number of items 2. Okay, because now this side is items and this side is set. I made how much? What was the number? How many sets did I have to make? I had to make 6 sets. Done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Done. 6 sets. How many items did I add? 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, now let's see if our answer matches the first method or not. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It matches. See? Your answer is same. Alright, now let's do the other one. Alright, number of sets 7. Number of items 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's first count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 2 into 7 is 14. See, my answer is correct again. We are using this method number 2. Alright, next one. How many sets will I make? 8 sets. How many items will I add? 2 items. Alright, now let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many items? 2. 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 2 items. 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright, counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Again, our answer is correct. Let me see if you can see the board clearly. Yes, you can see it. Alright, now 2 into 9. How many sets? 9. How many items? 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. 2 items, right? And we have one less for the lower one. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Our answer is correct again. 2 9 into 9 is 18. Now let's see the last one. 2 into 10. Alright, how many number of sets? 10. How many number of items? 2. Let's do it. 1, 2. I'll start from, okay, I can start from here because I have one block less over here. Or what I can do is, I can split one block and make it 2. Meaning I can split this one and make it 2. Done? Problem solved. Okay, now let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 number of sets done. How many items? 2 items. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. So my answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 2 into 10 is 2, 0, 20. So is our answer correct again? Yes, it's correct and we have successfully done our work. Let me show you and let's match our answers with method number 1 and method number 2. Alright, see. That is method number 1. That is on your left. This is method number 1 and this is method number 2. You see over here it can get confusing while drawing the dots, but it is much easier than this one. And over here number of dots are less but number of blocks are way too much. So it gets confusing with the number of blocks because you have to count first and then you have to add. So whichever is easy for you, for your child, for your student, you use that method. And look at the capacity of the child. If whatever they're willing and whatever they that is in their favor, I would suggest. And I hope this video was informative. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.